Today's video is different, and honestly, I'm feeling incredibly excited to share this with you. You know, sometimes in life, you have these moments where everything just clicks.
Beautiful.
Where you suddenly realize exactly what you want to pursue. I had one of these moments recently, and it's about to change the direction of our journey together on this channel. Since I was young, I have been absolutely fascinated by three things: mathematics, with its elegant equations that somehow explain our universe; physics, which helps us understand how everything around us works; and computer science, which gives us the power to create entire worlds from nothing but code. I've always wondered if there was a way to combine all these passions into one field. And it hit me. Graphics programming. It's like this magical intersection where everything I love comes together. Think about it. When you're creating computer graphics, you're not just writing code. You're using complex mathematics to move objects in 3D space. You're applying physics to simulate how light bounces off surfaces, how shadows fall, how materials interact with light. It's like being able to create your own universe and define its rules. I can't stop thinking about it. The idea that we can take these abstract concepts, these mathematical equations and physics principles, and turn them into beautiful, interactive worlds. It's just mind-blowing. And I want to share this journey with you, all of you. Starting from our next video on this series, we're going to learn graphics programming together. And when I say together, I mean it. I'm not coming to you as an expert. I'm coming to you as a fellow learner.
Hi there!
If you have any advice for me or any note about me, just write it in the comment section. You will see my struggles, my victories, those late night moments when you finally something works and it feels like magic. We will learn about 3D mathematics, about how light works in our virtual worlds, about shaders that can transform simple shapes into stunning visuals. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about our game development content. Don't worry, this isn't an end, it's an evolution. Everything we learn about graphics programming will make us better game developers. We will be able to create our own custom graphics, unique visual effects, and understand what's happening under the hood of game engines at a deeper level. This journey won't be easy. There will be challenging mathematics, complex physics concepts, and plenty of head-scratching programming problems. But that's what makes it exciting. Every challenge we overcome will bring us one step closer to understand how to create those breathtaking visuals we see in modern games and applications. Thank you for being a part of this community, for supporting this channel, and for joining me on this new adventure. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and never stop pursuing what fascinates you.